A significant shift is taking place across the woodworking industry. Raw material costs continue to rise. Labor expenses are increasing year after year. At the same time, the market demands more consistent quality, shorter lead times, and increasingly competitive pricing. Today, manufacturers need more than just a fast production line. They need an integrated manufacturing system capable of high-speed processing, maximizing material utilization, standardizing product quality, and extracting the highest value from every piece of lumber. That is why AI-powered wood pre-processing lines are rapidly becoming the preferred investment for modern woodworking factories around the world. A modern factory is no longer simply a collection of individual machines. It is an intelligent production system where every process is connected through data, creating a seamless, automated manufacturing workflow. The process begins with an automatic infeed system. Each board is automatically separated and fed into the production line at a consistent speed, minimizing manual handling, eliminating downtime between processes, and maintaining maximum productivity throughout the entire line. Next comes the high-speed crosscut saw. Powered by a servo positioning system, each cut is executed with exceptional accuracy, producing uniform workpieces before they enter the planing process, while minimizing dimensional variation and reducing material waste from the very beginning. The lumber then moves to the 6-spindle 4-side molder. In a single pass, all 4 faces are machined simultaneously, delivering outstanding dimensional accuracy and surface quality, while providing a stable foundation for every downstream manufacturing process.
The true value of the production line, however, lies in its AI vision system. Industrial cameras, combined with advanced 3D scanning technology, analyze every surface of each piece of lumber in real time. Knots, cracks, warping, discoloration, insect damage, and other natural defects are automatically detected and classified into different quality grades by artificial intelligence. More importantly, AI does not simply inspect. It makes intelligent decisions. After evaluating the quality of every board, the system automatically calculates the optimal cutting strategy to maximize the economic value of every cubic meter of lumber. There is no longer a single cutting pattern applied to every piece. Each board receives its own optimized cutting solution based on real production data. For manufacturers processing hundreds or even thousands of cubic meters of lumber each month, improving material recovery by just a few percentage points can generate substantial financial returns year after year. Once optimization is complete, every workpiece is automatically sorted according to its quality grade and directed to the appropriate production process. Every decision is driven by data, not by human judgment, not by individual experience. This is the foundation of a manufacturing system that can scale production while maintaining consistent quality across every shift. From a long-term perspective, this is far more than a wood pre-processing line.
Ultimately, the competitive advantage of tomorrow's woodworking industry will not be determined by how many machines a factory owns. It will be determined by its ability to transform data into decisions, raw materials into value, and technology into sustainable profitability. This is the vision that QUOC Group is bringing to woodworking manufacturers, partnering with businesses to build smarter, more efficient, and future-ready factories.